Australia is the only island continent on the planet surrounded by no less than 3 oceans and 4 major seas, while as a continent it presents a surfable coastline of epic proportions. The history of surf culture is written deep in the heart of this country, but there is a special place in Australia where you can find the ultimate surf thrill. Just a stone's throw away on the island of Tasmania, 170 miles below the southeast corner of the continent, lies what the locals call the Tasmanian Devil or Man-Eater, one of the gnarliest and thickest big waves on Earth. At Shipstern's Bluff, all the slackers broke new ground, like the big wave crew of Falks, Morgan, Homer, Brennan, Winchester, Homer Cross, and Vakulik. Walking the line between normal humans and mutant surfers armed only with camaraderie, 150 horsepower jet skis, and a disregard for consequence are these demented souls who are pushing into the realm of dry reef exposed rock and the biggest white shark territory, all for the chance to ride what was previously unrideable.